In this video I will be unboxing the ART TOOLKIT palette, which is the cutest little palette you have ever seen and very practical to use. And be sure you go to the end of the video if you would like to see the first painting that I have created with this ART TOOLKIT.
I've wanted one of these for ages. It's called a pocket palette from the ART TOOLKIT. They're in the United States, and I saw this first. I work as expedition artist on a ship, and I saw this. One of the guests brought one with, and I mean, look at the size. It is tiny. It almost looks like one of these old card cases, and that is what it looks like. Now, what I ordered was the Essential Colors edition. This is it over here. It comes with the colors Hansa Yellow, Peril Scarlet, Phthalo Blue, New Gamboge, Quinacridone Rose, and French Ultramarine. That's these little 6 colors over here. And then when I ordered it, I ordered a few extra little pans so I can swap different colors. I can put different things in there, change things around, maybe make 2 more mixing areas over there. So it's a nice little idea just to have things that you can interchange. On these empty ones, I'm going to be filling them up with colors that I like to use and letting them set a bit and then taking them out and trying them out. But I thought I would show you what these colors look like. So I've got some water here. It's the first time I'm testing them, so I'm interested to see myself. Nice and strong. And they really are full to the brim. This is the Phthalo Blue. New Gamboge. So basically a cool and a warm yellow, red and blue. This is the Quinacridone, one of my favorite colors for those that have seen any of my other channels. So I think this is going to be ideal to carry around for plein air painting, or especially if you're traveling, just to put something small in your bag that doesn't take up a lot of room. It's as light as a feather. So gorgeous little thing. And as I said before, this is by the ART TOOLKIT. Maria, she's really friendly. If you email her or send a message on Instagram, she always sends a reply. This is not sponsored in any way. This is just something I've always wanted, and I love my little ART toolkit. So can't wait to take it out on my next outing, and especially when I go back and work on ships again.
Here you can see that I have filled all the little extra pans with my own favorite colors. And if you look on the ART TOOLKIT website, there is explanations exactly how to do it properly. In fact, you've got to fill them once or twice to get to that nice full level. But there's a whole explanation on that on the Artist Toolkit. And here is a painting that my very first painting that I did with the little ART TOOLKIT, including the colors that I had put in there. And this was down the road from me at a little harbor called Kalk Bay Harbor, which is wonderful for fishing boats. But I found it like really easy to use, very practical, lovely size, and I will certainly be using it in the future. And if you like anything to do with boats, have a look at my previous video on urban sketching at the harbor in Kalk Bay. I hope you have enjoyed this.